Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share a Saturday morning make project with you all. I started it yesterday, but I finally finished it today, so I wanted to come on and share my project for today. This open collab is hosted by Jill Norwood from Greenwood Girls Cards here on YouTube, and she takes a little time out of her day and creates something on a Saturday. And I had some time today, and I finished up my tag. I am also doing this for KimboKreations. She's having a giveaway, and she just wanted something um, that was Christmas theme. So um, I busted out. I love Julie Nutting. I love her dolls. I love everything, all of them, majority of them, not all of them, but majority of them. I don't think I own all of them. So I wanted to create this doll. I have not played with her yet, and her name is Mary, and she comes with this sentiment, a present, and this says Mary, Mary, Mary. I guess it's just a stitched circle. So I really love this set. So I used that. I used paper from Hobby Lobby, and this was a clearance item in their paper section, and it had this, and it had fa la 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 la, and I used that. I used this square punch from Creative Memories. I used this embellishments from Hobby Lobby. I also used this stamp. This stamp. What else did I use? And that's it. So let me clear my desk and share my tag with you all. Okay. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I just love her. So the tag is 3 3/4 by 8 inches. And I used couple sheets of chipboard, well, a couple thin sheets of chipboard, I believe. Is it? No, it's just one. I added the paper that says Dear Santa, and then I distressed the heck out of it on the ends here, all the way around, some down here, and then I inked it up with vintage photo and walnut stain. I added the snowflake embellishment here and here. I stamped out on with this punch and the stamps, and I added the speckle stamp that I always like to use on them. Use some twine to kind of like wrap around the girl, and then I also made a bow for my sentiment down here. So I really love, and then I added some bling to her bow. Is it gonna, yep. Oh, it's getting blurry, sorry. There. And then a bling for her belt. And then on the back is just, I'll put some information on there for Kim when I mail this off to her. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I can't wait to watch everybody's videos that posted for Saturday Morning Makes. Come join us. And thanks everyone for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.